Legoland Billund is an awesome theme park, the birthplace of Lego itself. But with so many incredible rides packed into this place, which ones are actually worth your time? To make it into my top 5, an attraction has to pass my 3 rules. Apocalypseburg Sky Battle will have to wait until I'm 130 centimeters. But even without that one, some of the biggest, most popular rides in the park still didn't make my final list. So, what managed to survive the cut and take that ultimate number 1 spot? Let's find out. Starting off at number 5, we are heading deep into Legoredo Town to cool off on a legendary park classic, Lego Canoe. This is one of those rides that just feels like a proper adventure. You board these cool Lego-themed log boats and head out into a massive wilderness area. What I love about this ride is the incredible Lego brick models you see along the way. You'll drift past beaver dams, howling wolves, and even some very hungry-looking bears. The ride finishes with a brilliant 3-story drop that creates a huge splash. It's the perfect way to cool down on a sunny day in the park. Lego Canoe is a must-do, but if you're looking for something with a bit more acceleration, then you're going to love what's coming up next. At number 4, we have the newest high-speed addition to the park, Minifigure Speedway. This isn't just one roller coaster, it's a dueling racing coaster where 2 trains, Team Legends and Team All-Stars, battle it out to be the fastest. What makes this ride so unique is that it's a shuttle coaster. That means you don't just go through the course once you blast through the track forwards, and then you do the whole thing again backwards. The dueling moments are incredible, especially when you feel like you're almost close enough to high-five the riders on the other track as you fly past. It's fast, it's smooth, and the theme is awesome. It really feels like you've been shrunk down into a giant Lego race set. But while this speedway is a blast, my next ride takes that racing theme and dials it up to a whole new level of intensity. Taking the number 3 spot is a ride that truly lives up to its name, X-treme Racers. Located in Adventureland, this is a classic Mack Rides Wild Mouse coaster, but it packs a much bigger punch than your average family ride. You sit in these cool single race cars and climb 16 meters into the air, before hitting a series of crazy sharp zigzag turns. Because the track isn't banked, it feels like the car is about to fly straight off the edge every single time. It throws you side to side and is a total laugh. But the absolute best part is the massive first drop, where you accelerate up to 37 miles per hour and dive straight into a futuristic glowing neon green light tunnel. It's fast, it's wacky, and it completely deserves its spot in the top 3. Before we move to number 2, if you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe. For my number 2 spot, we are headed right back into the Wild West for a coaster that is all about soaring through the sky. Flying in at number 2 is Flying Eagle. This is another incredible ride found in Legoredo Town. This coaster climbs up to the top of Eagle Rock before sweeping down into a layout that is silky smooth from start to finish. It takes you on a high-speed flight right through the trees, dipping down past life-size Lego animals and zooming incredibly close to the lake water. My absolute favourite element on this ride has to be the slalom section. The way the train quickly snaps side to side through those tight banking turns makes you feel exactly like an eagle weaving through the wilderness. It is so much fun, packs a surprising amount of speed, and is absolutely awesome to ride. Flying Eagle is a brilliant coaster, but there is one ride at Legoland Billund that is better than all the rest. It's cold, it's fast, and it features a drop that will leave your jaw on the floor. Taking the ultimate crown at number 1, located in the Polar Land section of the park, is Polar Xplorer. Right from the first drop, this ride completely caught me by surprise. It has some serious speed as you fly around the icy mountain peaks. My favourite part about the outdoor layout has to be the surprising airtime you get at different points of the ride. There are moments where you genuinely lift right out of your seat as you fly over the hills, which is exactly what a great coaster should do. But the main reason this takes the top spot is what happens when you blast inside the ice cave. The train comes to a complete stop in the dark, and then, without warning, the entire track drops 5 meters straight down in a split second. That indoor drop track element is absolutely legendary. It leaves everyone in the train laughing and screaming. With awesome airtime, high speeds, and that mind-blowing drop track, Polar Xplorer isn't just the best ride at Billund, it's one of my absolute favourites ever. So those are my top 5 rides at Legoland Billund. Did your favourite ride make the list, or do you think I got the ranking completely wrong? Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more epic theme park adventures, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!